it's popping some warm air. Yeah. This is the vissani 6000 BTU water air conditioner. Yeah. It's also run in I feel like in eco mode or something. Or maybe in cool mode. No, I know it was the first day that it was installed, but like I mean, yeah, I think so. I think it's running in eco mode since it was installed for the first day. I mean, first time. But yeah, but seriously though, it was some warm air. So I do know that it has a GMCC with a compressor. I mean, yeah, I know some air compressors does have GMCCs, including LG. Yeah. Damn. Okay. I mean, yeah, the course. Wait. Yeah, the course is very hard. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can literally discharge it. It's really hard. So yeah, the compressor is working good. The compressor is massive. Yeah. Yeah, I think it was like auto to refrigerant. Remember R22? No, it could yeah, no, it could be like R32. I mean, yeah, my GG, my old AC have R32. The LG air conditioner has R32, and I think this air conditioner has a R32 filter. Yeah. Yep. The air is very hot. Yeah. Okay, it's time to me go now. It's 11 o'clock in the night. But yeah, all because enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching and over and out. See ya and peace.